How to check reviews on Amazon. First of all, log in your Amazon app or website. Then, tap the three lines icon at the bottom. After, go to Orders. Now, you have to scroll down until you find the option Profile. Tap Profile. At this moment, you can already see some reviews below. And if you scroll down, you'll see all the reviews that you have done at Amazon.com. You can even choose one of the reviews and edit or delete any of them. When you're done, you can move back to the home page. Touch the subscribe button for more Amazon tutorials.